Let's get started. Here are the ingredients. First, drop some butter into a hot pan or wok. Once it starts to melt, add in your minced garlic. Sauté until brown. Once it browns, mix in your chopped onions. Sauté for 5 minutes. Afterwards, add in your broccoli. Also, pour in your oyster sauce. Mix everything well. Don't forget to add a salt and pepper to your liking. Mix everything well. Once your broccolis are almost ready, mix in your mushrooms along with half a cup of water. Mix everything well. Then, pour in your cornstarch. Mix well until the sauce thickens. Lastly, add another stick of butter. Let it melt and you are done. That is how you make our stir-fried broccoli and mushrooms.
Yum! So delicious! Thanks for watching.